Hey friends, TUXX here. I've had some requests for information about how I store my DAPs, and so I wanted to show you some different case options for a few of these DAPs. And for my A&K Astell Kern Alpha is one of my favorite DAPs for sure. I love this thing a lot, but it's big, it's bulky, it's heavy, and of course it's super loud because it has a built-in amp, but it'd be nice to have a case for it. So that's where this comes in. I'm gonna open this right now for you. I just received this and we'll check it out together. I'll have a link for this product down below so you can check it out, but it seems like some of these A&K DAPs, it's a little harder to find cases for these days, but there is companies that they're available from, and I've heard really good things about this. Let's go ahead and open this up here and check it out. In fact, I was not expecting this kind of case. Let's see here. Looks like we have a little black box, very nice texturized, doesn't really say anything on it. Let's pop this open here, and here we go. Yes, oh, this is really nice presentation. So it comes in this little thing, and it looks like the one I got. Oh, I didn't know they're going to send a green one. That's interesting. Okay, so this is real leather, I believe, and it's a nice case which is made just for the A&K. So very cool stuff. I'm definitely loving the look of this. You can see this is a really unique shape. There's a lot of weird, like, diagonal sharp edges and corners and stuff. So not just any case will hold this really properly, so you want to make sure it's something which will hold it well. And this is made just for that. So that is that, guys. It fits beautiful, looks great, and most importantly, it's protected now. So you can protect your DAP. All the plugs are exposed. You can get to all the dials you need, the buttons you need, everything there. So very cool. Highly recommended. Okay, to recap, this is the Astell Kern case, and this is a third-party case made to fit the A&K Alpha, okay? Although it may fit some other ones. You can see all the buttons are easily exposed. You can get to your buttons, you can get to your holes, you can get to your power, the little wheel over here, you can get to it, you can turn it nicely. Everything is very easy to get to, and most importantly now is your A&K Alpha is essentially safe. It's in a little safety, it's in a safe zone here, if you drop it, it has a fighting chance of not getting scratched up or whatever. So very cool stuff. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and I want to thank you guys for watching this quick video. Okay, we'll talk to you soon. Bye bye. Click the link.